You think you know Windows 11, but there are specific under-the-hood features and apps that most people completely miss. Today, I'm showing you 10 hidden gems that are completely free and exclusive to Windows 11. These will change how you use your PC. I have listed the direct download links for every app we are covering in the description below, so you don't have to hunt them down. Let's jump in. First up, we have Wintoys, which is hands down the ultimate optimizer. While Microsoft has its own PC manager, the community actually prefers this one. It uses a stunning fluent design that looks native to the OS, but it's what it does that matters. It allows you to de-bloat Windows 11 by removing those pre-installed apps that usually can't be deleted, and it even gives you a simple toggle to turn off the telemetry tracking that Microsoft runs in the background. Next, if you've ever been annoyed by the new right-click menu, you need NanaZip. We all know 7-Zip is legendary, but it looks like it's from 1998. NanaZip is an open-source fork designed specifically for Windows 11. The best part? It integrates perfectly into the right-click context menu, so you don't have to click Show More Options just to unzip a file anymore. If you have a high-end monitor or an OLED laptop, you may not be able to see its full potential. That's where Windows HDR Calibration comes in. This is an official Microsoft app that lets you calibrate your screen's peak brightness and color accuracy. If you watch movies or play games, this is essential to get those true blacks and vibrant highlights. Now, let's talk about file management. The default Explorer got tabs recently, but the Files app takes it much further. It offers a dual-pane view for moving files side by side, plus advanced tagging and a customizable sidebar. It honestly feels like the pro version of the file system Windows 11 should have had from the start. Windows 11 is infamous for being hard to customize, but Windhawk changes that. Think of this as a safe modding engine for your OS. You can make small tweaks like never combine taskbar buttons, add mouse wheel volume control, or even bring back the old Windows 7 start menu style without breaking your system. Don't let the name of this next one scare you: Dev Home. Microsoft released this for coders, but its dashboard feature is amazing for everyone. It allows you to pin system widgets to a dedicated dashboard, so you can monitor your CPU, GPU, RAM usage, and network speed in real time with beautiful, transparent cards. For the stylus and touchscreen users, there is Microsoft Journal. This is a hidden garage project that uses AI to recognize gestures. For example, if you want to delete a sentence, you just scribble over it with your pen. It makes digital note-taking feel surprisingly like real paper. Here is a huge quality-of-life upgrade: Twinkle Tray. Windows 11 lets you easily adjust laptop brightness, but for external monitors, you usually have to mess with physical buttons on the screen. Twinkle Tray lets you control the brightness of multiple external monitors directly from your taskbar with a slider, just like a laptop. If you need graphics fast, check out Microsoft Designer. Tucked away in the store, this is Windows 11's answer to Canva. It uses DALL-E 3 and AI to generate social media posts, invitations, or logos from a simple text prompt. It is significantly faster than opening traditional editing software. Finally, a new utility called Winhance. This acts as a one-stop shop for maintenance. It focuses on quality-of-life improvements, like automatically clearing your clipboard after a set time for security, or putting your PC into a super dark mode that affects every app, not just the taskbar. I've put the links to all 10 of these tools in the description so you can upgrade your Windows experience right now. And speaking of upgrades, if you want to take your productivity even further, I've put together a free guide on the best AI tools you should be using this year. It's linked right below the software list in the description. Make sure to sign up and grab that to stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.